Hello. So, in this video, we are going to do market analysis. So, this today we have 29th December, and let's start. So, we have this Excel sheet where we have 10 EMA, 20 EMA, and 30 EMA, and these numbers indicate since how many days the index is closing below or above the moving average. So as you can see, uh, Nifty Bank is below the 10 EMA since 8 days, below 20 EMA since 7 days, and below 30 EMA since 7 days. So that's minus 7. Here we have broader market analysis, and you can see Nifty 500 and Nifty 50, they are below all these key moving averages around 7 to 8 days. So the market is still in the downtrend on the daily time frame. Let's see the charts. So this is Nifty 500 charts, and as you can see here, the prices are closing below these key moving averages, and since last 4 days market is in a range bound. Last day, that is the Friday, market tried to recover from here, but it failed. So here also you can see in Nifty 50, um, there is selling pressure from the top, and Nifty moving average 10 EMA is acting as a resistance, and here we have a support. So it's in a range bound. So in order to start a new trend, that is either a downtrend or uptrend, we have to cross these two levels. So that is 24,000 and 23,500. So these are the two levels. Now let's see the bank Nifty. So as we have seen in the Excel sheet, bank Nifty is in the range bound and in the downtrend. So it's in this broader range since long time, and it's in the downtrend. Nifty Auto. So Nifty Auto has turned up positive on 10 EMA. It's in the downtrend. Only the short-term trend, that is 10 EMA, has become positive, and it has taken resistance from 30 EMA here. So we'll have to see if it is able to cross and close above this moving average. We have a kind of resistance line here. Next we have commodity. So commodity is again in a strong downtrend. We have so in the commodity sector we have again a range which has happening here. So, and it's in a downtrend. So as you can see, it's in a downtrend and on the support, and it has been closing below key moving averages from 9 days. Consumption sector is again trying to come back. It's on the support line and it's on the downtrend. Energy sector is the worst affected sector kind of thing. Here we have it has been closing below 30 EMA since 59 days, and below the 10 EMA and 20 EMA for 13 and 14 days. So try to come up from here, but it failed, and now it's taking the support over here, and it's trading in a very narrow range. So there has to have some breakout either on the upside or downside. Finance sector, as we have seen in the bank Nifty, it's in the range, in a broader range and in a downtrend. FMCG has turned positive on a shorter time frame, that is 10 EMA. It's closed above 10 EMA, but it is still the worst affected sector because it has been closing below the 30 EMA since 58 days. So, and it has been underperforming the overall market. So it's interesting to see what happens in the next week, whether it continues to be in a range bound or it closes above this particular resistance and uh, starts trading upward. Nifty IT again, it's in the range, it's in the downtrend. It has been outperforming the overall market, but it is also in a very tight range. As you can see, these last two candles, Nifty Media is in a strong downtrend. It has broken this support line and it is trading below this support line. So we can see here it's in a strong downtrend. Nifty Metal, let us say Nifty Metal. So Nifty Metal is also in a range and on a support line. It's in the downtrend. Nifty Pharma turns out to be a very good and strong sector now. It has broken this kind of support resistance line. So it was support here, it has become resistance here. So it has broken this line and uh, it has given a positive kind of number on the Friday. PSC again in a downtrend and on a support. PSU banks in a downtrend on a support. Real estate has been outperforming, but on the medium time frame and shorter time frame it has become negative. So it has closed below 20 EMA and it has been trading below the 10 EMA since 5 days. So there is a no short term momentum in the real estate stock. So and now it's trading in the range, so it has to break out above or below in order to start trading. Either it will be on a downtrend and or it will be on a uptrend side. Service sector again on a support and trading down in a downtrend. CPSE again a very huge downtrend. It's a big downtrend and on a support level. Private banks, so all banks have similar kind of structure. They are in a broader range and they are on a support line. Consumer durable. So consumer durable is again on a flat line. So the momentum on the short term is not good. It's in a downtrend. It has closed below 20 EMA. So again we'll have to see the breakout in this week where it happens, whether it goes on upside or downside. Oil and gas, there is no momentum in the oil and gas. It's a range bound since Tuesday. So it's in the range. It has to break out on the upside or downside in order to give a positive or the negative momentum. Infra again in the same kind of scenario. So let's see. So as we have seen, most of the sectors are in a downtrend uh, and on a support, except a few like consumer durable, realty, they are holding up. And in a short term trend, auto and FMCG have turned positive. Pharma has been like performing positive on the all time frames. And broader market, it is still below the key moving averages, so it is still in a downtrend. It is still in a downtrend and on support. So this week will be the interesting week to see whether the breakouts are happening on the upside or on the downside. If breakouts happen on the downside, then we might see further downfall in the overall market, because as you can see here, we will then continue the uh, downtrend. Here actually we have been this low has been protected so far, uh, and as per the Dow theory we have not broken this. So if you see, as per the Dow theory, this is high, low, high, low, high, low, and we have broken this particular low and we have closed above, and then again we have come up here. So as per the Dow theory, if uptrend has to continue, then we'll have to protect this particular low. If this is not protected, then this structure gets violated and the downtrend will continue. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much. Do subscribe, like, comment. Thank you.